Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. Thank you so much to all my wonderful and lovely subscribers. Thank you so much for stopping by, guys. It is another delicious, wonderful recipe. If you want to see how I made this tasty rice and beans cooked with oxtail, please stay tuned. So guys, for this recipe I'm using salt, ginger and garlic, maggi, celery, spring onions, red onions, mixed sweet bell peppers, paprika, cayenne pepper, curry, hot chili, parsley, my oxtail. Please make sure you have washed your oxtail properly. Make sure there's no blood in it, okay? Beans, rice, Nigerian dry chili, vegetable oil. So guys, the first thing we're going to do is that we're going to add all our ingredients inside the meat, and we're also going to add all our peppers and onions inside the meat as well. So let's start adding our ingredients. I'm going to add 2 scoops of this. Now I've added 2 scoops of paprika. I'm going to add 2 scoops of cayenne pepper. I'm going to add 2 scoops of hot chili. I'm going to add 2 scoops of curry powder. I'm going to add Nigerian dry chili. I'm going to add salt, 1 scoop of salt. I'm going to add 3 maggi. We're going to mix it around. Okay, we're going to start adding all our veg. Make sure you are using a very big bowl that will contain all your veg. I'm going to add my onions. I'm going to add spring onions. Celery, sorry. I'm adding celery, spring onions. I'm going to add the sweet bell peppers. I'll put that aside. I'm going to pound my ginger and garlic. Now after that, I'm going to add it inside the bowl as well. So now guys, I'm going to cut my parsley. So now we're going to mix everything very well. Now we'll try and combine everything very well. Now don't be afraid to get your hand in there and work it properly. Now this is why you need a big bowl, to give you space to, mix everything very well. After mixing everything together, we are going to cover and put it in the fridge. Guys, I am doing this overnight, okay? If you don't have the time to do this overnight, you can do it in the morning, but leave it like 3 hours, 4 hours. I'm doing this overnight because I want it to sit with all these ingredients and I want it to go inside properly. So we're going to cover this, put it in the fridge and leave it overnight, okay? So So guys, this is the next morning and the meat is looking super juicy. It has sit there for a long time and everything has marinate together properly. So we're now going to start cooking our meat. So guys, I have added a little bit of oil in the pot. I'm going to allow it to heat up a bit. So guys, we are going to add our oxtail inside the pan. So guys, I'm going to allow the meat to simmer with the oil for like 5 minutes. So guys, after 5 minutes, I am going to add my vegetable that I marinated with the meat. But guys, I must say, you won't believe the amount of aroma that is just coming out from this meat. Oh my days. So now I am going to cover and let it simmer for 5 minutes. So guys, now I am going to rinse the bowl. The bowl I use for marinating the meat. This bowl, because there's loads of juice in it. I'll add this juice anyway inside it, okay? And I am going to put water in it, rinse it very well because there's loads of ingredients in the bowl. Now we do not want to rinse that away, so I'm going to add it in there. So now the only thing we're going to do to this meat is to cover it and allow it to cook through. You know that oxtail takes time to cook, so you just need to keep your eyes on it. Top up water if you need to top up water. Just cover it and let it cook until it is done. But I must say guys, the aroma that is oozing out into the air without this meat being cooked properly is just amazing. Like, I love that smell, I love that aroma. So guys, I'm going to allow that rice to boil for like 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I am going to take it out of the stove and I'm going to clean it properly. So now guys, I'm going to take this rice out and I'm going to clean it. After cleaning it, I am going to set it aside until I am ready to use it. So now I am also going to boil my beans. I'm going to boil it for 5 minutes and then I am going to go and clean it. So guys, I have cleaned the beans. I am going to now allow it to cook. So guys, our meat is soft and ready, like it's falling off the bone. It's soft and ready now. Okay, I am going to add more water and I'm going to add our rice. Now I'm going to add our rice inside the pot. Our rice has been cleaned properly. Okay. So I'm going to add more water in the rice. I'm going to taste for maggi and salt. I'm going to add maggi and I'm going to add salt. I'm going to add maggi. I'll add a tiny bit more water. Now I'm going to cover and I'm going to allow the rice to boil for like 10 minutes and then we'll add our beans. So guys, after allowing our rice to cook like half done, it's not completely done, we are now going to add our beans inside there. Now I'm going to mix it up and let the beans get some of the juice as well. Now pull the rice up and get the beans down at the bottom. Now I'm going to add a tiny bit of water. So now we're just going to let it cook. So guys, this food is ready. I am going to take it out of the stove. Guys, it tastes so super yummy and the aroma in this kitchen is absolutely to die for. It is finger licking. All the juiciness in the meat and in the sauce just went inside the rice and beans and they're tasting fantastic. So yes, I am going to take it out of the stove now. Okay guys, this is where today's recipe is going to end. I just sprinkle a little bit of the parsley on top of it. Yes, it is ready and it is looking absolutely divine. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you all on my next one. Bye.